Congratulations to all from the Review to A to Z YouTube channel. Elevate your cooking experience with our premium kitchen cookware sets. Designed for both home chefs and culinary professionals, these sets combine sleek, modern aesthetics with durable, high-performance materials. Each piece is engineered for even heat distribution, ensuring that every dish is cooked to perfection. From non-stick frying pans to versatile saucepans and robust stockpots, our cookware sets are crafted to inspire creativity in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday meal or an elaborate dinner party, these sets offer the quality, innovation, and style that every modern kitchen deserves. Includes 1.5 quart saucepan with glass cover, 2.5 quart saucepan with glass cover, 3 quart saucepan with helper handle and glass cover, 8 quart stockpot with glass cover, 8-inch skillet, 10 skillet and 18 cm steamer insert, induction ready, mirror finish. Classic looks, professional performance, aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. Eliminates hot spots. Product name: Cuisinart 11-piece cookware set, Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Collection 77 to 11G, available at a lower shipping. Material: aluminum, stainless steel, glass color -11-piece, brand: Cuisinart, size -11-piece, handle material: stainless steel. Price from other sellers that may not offer free prime. A great go-to assortment of cookware must-haves. This essential set makes it easy to prepare multiple dishes at once. It includes a terrific, large stockpot for making hearty pastas, and is also equipped with a steamer insert for steaming vegetables. Sauté, simmer, brown and fry with this versatile set featuring measurement markings for easier cooking. Features. Product name: Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel 10-piece cookware set, material: stainless steel, color silver, brand: Calphalon, size 10-piece, handle material: stainless steel. Steel, is dishwasher safe? Yes. Material type: free, PFOA free, PFAS free, cadmium free, lead free, PTFE free, PFOS free, APEO free, nickel free, bisphenol A, BPA free. The stainless steel construction provides a modern look and long-lasting durability, and stay cool. Stainless steel long handles provide heat resistance when cooking on the stovetop. These stainless steel pots and pans are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and also oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can conveniently go from stovetop to oven to finish your meal, or to easily reheat food. Designated chemical disclosure: this product contains stainless steel, iron, chromium, copper, phosphorus. Set includes 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan, 1.5 quart saucepan and cover, 2.5 quart saucepan and cover, 3 quart sauté pan and cover, and 6 quart stock pot and cover. Product name: T-fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set 12-piece, oven broiler safe 350F, pots and pans, kitchen cooking set with fry pans, saucepans, sauté pan, Dutch oven, griddle, kitchen, home, dishwasher safe, black. Product dimensions: 22.75 by 11 by 12.75 inches, item weight 11.46 pounds, manufacturer Group SEB. ASIN B001167 VIQ, country of origin China, item model number 324060413556, customer reviews 4.6 out of 5 stars, 18,301. Created with the home chef in mind, T-fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware provides an array of user-friendly features. Its innovative T-fal thermospot heat indicator simplifies preheating of pots and pans, which helps seal in the flavor of food, whether sautéing or searing. When the pattern in the center turns to a solid red spot, the pan is hot and ready to cook. The cookware's heavy-gauge aluminum construction heats quickly and offers long-lasting strength, while its even heat base distributes heat evenly for reliable cooking results. Use the cookware set on any kitchen cooktop, except for induction. The cookware's durable non-stick surfaces, inside and out, offer effortless food release, allowing to cook with little to no oil. The cookware's vented tempered glass lids trap in heat and moisture. Signature cookware is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe, making it ideal for any kitchen. The 12-piece pots and pans set non-stick includes 7.75 and 11-inch fry pans, 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with lids, a 5.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, a 10.25-inch griddle, a spoon, a ladle, and a slotted spatula. Enjoy cooking with Signature Collection. The Soft Grip Collection is all about comfort and control. Designed for effortless performance and cleanup, this set features our toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating, which is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. GreenLife's healthy ceramic non-stick is not stuck in the past. That's why our ceramic non-stick starts with sand and creates 60% less CO2 emissions during the curing phase than traditional coatings. The cookware vessels, excluding handles, are made from a minimum of 65% recycled aluminum. Finished in vibrant colors, this set is outfitted with stay-cool handles to keep your cooking comfortable. Durable glass lids for a good look at any meal in progress without sacrificing heat. For all stovetops, except induction. Oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe. This cookware set includes 4-inch mini frypan, 7-inch and 9.5-inch open frypans, 1-quart and 2-quart covered sauce pans. Product name: GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set, non-toxic PFAS-free ceramic non-stick, pots, frying, sauce, sauté, glass lids, stay-cool handles, wobble-free bases, dishwasher oven safe, turquoise material PFAS-free healthy ceramic non-stick, Bakelite handles, color turquoise, brand GreenLife, size 16-piece cookware set, handle material Bakelite. Number 5, product name: Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 12-piece cookware set with lids, pots and pans kitchen set, induction ready, dishwasher safe, NSF certified, made in Brazil, material stainless steel, color stainless steel, brand Tramontina, size 12-piece, handle material stainless steel. The Tramontina 12-piece Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel cookware set is crafted with Tri-Ply construction, featuring an aluminum core between 2 layers of premium 18/10 stainless steel. This ensures even heat distribution, minimizing hot spots and providing precise cooking control. This all-clad set is made without PTFE or PFAS, promoting clean and safe cooking for your family. This versatile, cladded set includes 2 frying pans, 3 saucepans with lids, a sauté pan with a lid, and a stock pot with a lid. Designed for induction, gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops. It's also oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The easy-release surface makes food effortlessly slide off, and the sleek, mirror-polished exterior adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. NSF certified for safety and quality, this cookware set is both durable and dishwasher safe, though handwashing is recommended for long-lasting performance. Perfect for home chefs seeking professional results. Thank you very much for watching this full video. So support me to get this type of video regularly on if you want to buy any product from here. The affiliate link printed in the description box on the fast command. You can buy any product as per your requirement from here by just click on the link. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.